Hi guys, I asked a question in another video if you wanted to see a technique I did in one of my candle holders, and I got good positive feedback. So today I'm going to show you how to do that technique, and I'm going to show you how to do another candle holder that's just simple bling if you don't like a lot of bling. And I'm going to show you how to bling out a tissue box I got for $2.99 at Ross. So if you like this type of content and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. And let's get into this video. Alright guys, you know I'm going to be recreating this candle holder in a different color. I did this in another video. I'm going to show you the technique. I just got a candle holder from Dollar Tree and I used some Mod Podge that I'll be pouring inside of this candle holder. I'll be leaving a link in the description box in case you want to see how I made the base of this original candle holder as well, because in today's video I'll just be recreating the top. Okay guys, so you want to coat the glass with this Mod Podge and just use a foam brush to spread it evenly and pour the excess back in the jar. Now I want to use my glitter and just put an even coat over the Mod Podge. Don't worry, this will dry completely clear. Just make sure you use the red label for your Mod Podge. Alright guys, this is the results after it's dried. And what we're going to do now is just take the glue gun. No, actually I want a permanent bond, so I'm going to take some E6000 and I'm going to put something that's going to make it bling a little bit more around the base. And then you just cut the excess off. For this next look, I'm just going to use a clear candle holder from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add some Floral Bling wrap to make it a more simple type of bling. And I want to take these little pieces. I've got two colors. I've got the silver and I've got the rose gold. I've already pre-cut them. So let me show you what they look like. As you can see, they're pre-cut. And I'm just going to line them around the bottom. So this one is going to be a really simple one. Okay guys, so those are my two candle holders. Now I want to show you how I did the tissue holder. So I'm going to put these here. Set those to the side so you can see them. And I'm so excited I got this. It's going to be a refresh. I got it from Ross for $2.99, as you just saw on the label. It's a kind of a copper with a tinge of rose gold. So I'm going to be using this pattern. Right now it's got a rose gold background with the silver bling and the mirrors, but I'm going to do another side that's going to be opposite in reverse, and it's going to have a silver bling background with the rose gold floral and some of the mirrors. I won't be making this permanent, so I will be using the glue gun just in case I want to bring it back to its original state. I did do this already with a test run that I didn't like. Just so you know, it was easy to take off. And this was just the rose gold on the rose gold. So you have the rose gold bling wrap piece like this. And you have the rose gold floral pieces like this. So I'm going to put all this in the description box. And my little mirror pieces, I'll put those in the description box. But I didn't like this one for some reason. It didn't look that good on here. So I'm going to do it in reverse. And let's get started. If you just want to do something long enough to change it up later, the glue gun is definitely the way to go. But you don't want to wait too long. So let me put this down really quick because the glue will start to dry. want to thank you for hanging in with me on this long video and watching it to the end. For all of you who did, and if you think you want to try this, go ahead and send me a picture on Instagram and tag me so that I can see it. I'd love to see what it looks like. Before I go, I want to make sure I point out what I used inside the candle holders. In the clear one, I just put a Dollar Tree candle with the bling wrap that I put at the bottom, the floral silver bling wrap. And in the other one, make sure you use a tea light candle. You don't want to ruin your beautiful design with the glitter and the Mod Podge. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I did take a little break from doing DIYs just because I was really losing ideas. I didn't really know what I wanted to do and I didn't want to put out anything. So one of the things I did was took some time to do some shop with me videos. Not just to have you shop with me, but I also go out and see what's fresh and get some fresh ideas on what type of items I'd like to recreate as DIYs. And one of the things I did was a refresh on a candle holder that I had created as a DIY. It was a Dollar Tree candle holder. Now I'll put the link to in the description box on how I originally actually created this candle holder. And it starts off the top with just the clear Dollar Tree glass. Looking for it. So it was a really easy refresh. As you know, my decor in my video, How to Make Your Home Look Expensive on a Budget, had some pretty much purple pillows. And I wanted to put something not too purple in the actual glass, but I actually did a combination. It's not all purple, but I know on video it looked like it was totally purple. But this is actually a combination of purple and rose gold. And basically you use coarse glitter. I got this from Michael's. It's a rose gold. I'm trying to see if you can focus. But yeah, it's a rose gold coarse type of a glitter.